You did what?
Welcome everyone. I'm just gonna kind of readjust things a little quick. I'm gonna call order, roll call, approval of agenda, and then there's a little bit of an amendment because it is picture day, so we're gonna get that taken care of soon. So I call this meeting to order at 3 o'clock on November 7th, 2018, starting with roll call. Senator Beebe, Senator Acevedo, Senator Bates, here. Senator Boyle, here. Senator Syriac, Senator Dunn, Senator Gasper, here. Senator Glenn, here. Senator Goggin, here. Senator Cornel, here. Senator Hodges, here. Senator Herr, Senator Killian, here. Senator Mattson, Senator Newton, Senator Nuri, here. Senator Omsatali, here. Senator Oscar, here. Senator Pages, Senator Pease, Senator Perez, Senator Saney, Senator Santos, here. Senator Suhu, here. Senator Suhu, here. Senator Suddy, Senator Takamarva, here. Senator Tamara, here. Senator Tam, Senator Zib, here. Chair Martins, here. Chair Patel, here. Chair Zona, here. Vice Speaker Feller, here. Okay. So I'm going to motion to amend the agenda such that the item USG Picture Day and new business is going to be up next. So before item 4 on the agenda, is there a motion to approve? Second. All those in favor say aye. Aye. Opposed say nay. Okay. So move that up before section 4. There is, are there any motions to approve the agenda as amended?
Motion to approve the agenda as amended.
Is there a second? Second. All in favor say aye. Aye. All right. So that being said, before we move on any further, we're going to go ahead and start taking pictures now. The way that I kind of want to start this is, I know some of you have class at 3:50 in particular. I don't anticipate it's taking that long at all, but just to maintain some sort of order. If any of you guys have class at 3:50 and have to leave, we'll do you guys first. So we can head outside because my exam is set up. So.
Everybody said have a class time.
Yeah, we don't. That's kind of what I was getting at. Was like, if any of you guys have class, feel free and head out. We're not going to have a meeting in the meantime while people are outside taking pictures anyway.
So if you have class at 4, then make your way outside so that you can get your pictures done. And then after we'll move on to taking the rest of the group photos and individual photos.
Mr. Chair,
You're welcome, Madam.
So brief recess.
I left you a little.
I got that.
Except for.
Are we done? Everyone take their seat. We're gonna resume with the assembly. So we're gonna move I'm gonna motion to move the justice nomination up to next. So again, before the 4th section on the agenda here. So is there a motion to approve? Is there a second? Second. All those in favor say aye. Aye. Say nay. Okay. So we will be moving on with the justice nomination presented by President Petrarca.
Hello, everybody. So the final nomination for the judicial branch, I'm nominating Jacob Ohinko. Go very similar like we have for the past 3. He will give a bio about himself. Feel free to ask questions. I encourage you to ask some questions. And then if there is a motion to move to approve the nomination, we will do so. So, Jake?
Thank you, Katie. Hi guys, like Katie said, I'm Jake Bohengo. I'm a senior here at UMass. I study economics and I'm a member of the Honors College. Some of my previous activities that I've done on campus, I was in orientation here my freshman year. If any of you guys are juniors, you might recognize me, you might have crossed paths. And other things that I do, I work for a startup company in Boston. It's called Bachkeeper. They're based in South Station, Newark. And the reason I want to be part of USG is because it seems like a great opportunity. A lot of my friends are a part of it, so I thought it'd be a great way to get involved before I head off campus. And when I heard that the justice position was open, I thought it'd be a great opportunity to help out and join you guys. But yeah, as Katie said, if you guys have any questions, we'll be happy to answer.
Any questions, comments for Jake at this time? Oh, Shelby has one.
When are you graduating?
In the spring.
Anyone else?
What do you think you can bring into the table?
Me and Connor are friends, so I thought we work together well, and I think that if there are any issues come up, we'll be able to solve them. We have a lot of connection to chemistry stuff.
Different kind of chemistry.
What is your understanding of the position that you're hoping to be appointed to?
So as any issues come up, the main one that I heard about when the judicial department got involved was during Katie's election. There were some issues that came on, and it was the judicial branch's responsibility to work through those and make sure that there's no influence they have on it, and they make sure that they deal with everything completely away from the problem, very black and white.
Any other questions, comments? I can vouch for Jake personally. He's a pretty good dude, pretty solid roommate. Tidy, quiet. Yeah, that's essentially it. If there are no more questions, we can move forward to a vote. All right. All right, there's been a motion moved to a vote on the approval of Jake Bohenko for justice. Is there a second? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Okay. All those in favor of approving Jake Bohenko to the justice position within student government say aye.
Aye.
Those opposed say nay. All right. Approved.
Great chemistry.
Full branch.
Okay, so I'm going to take like a really brief recess because this was really quick again, so it looks like a 30-second recess.
Yes, I know.
So,
Yeah. I'm not a big
Alright, resuming as previously planned. Resuming as previously planned, kind of weird, but is there a motion to approve the old minutes? Is there a second?
Second.
All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Those say nay. All right. Are there any discretionary account expenses at this time? I have one. So USG just bought swag through CCA. Michelle Chairman's put through the order for $1,420.69. And that's the there's no other discretionary account expenses. No. Moving on to committee action, starting with campus and community affairs.
Hi guys, so we canceled our community meeting last week because for swag, I just wanted to let you all know what I got. I got hand sanitizer, foam balls, and lip balm. And it all has the USG logo on it. Just for table events and stuff, that's all that I can mark.
Excellent. Moving on to budget and finance.
I have nothing for
Okay. Moving on to SESC. Okay. Going to officer report, president report.
Hi, everybody. Senator Hodges and I had a meeting with Associate Vice Chancellor for the Budget Office, and we were speaking about MBTA passes, so that is still ongoing. Vice President Zeno and myself had a meeting with the Chancellor on the 20th to discuss more things, and we'll let you know what happens after that meeting, but other than that, that's all I have to report.
Excellent. Moving on to vice president report. All right. So speaker report. Hi everyone. I hope you all enjoyed the week off last week. Some of you went to Korea, I hope. So I don't have a ton to report. The students from Limerick, from the exchange program that we do with the University of Limerick, will be here next week. They'll be here Tuesday through Friday, available on campus, attending meetings and whatnot. We are having a social for them, like a USG and Student Services sponsored social. It's going to be on 5 p.m. at 5 p.m. on Thursday of next week in the University Dining Commons, which is it's next to the Alumni Lounge on the second floor of Campus Center, over near the water. So if you can make it, great. I'll have more information about it. I'll send out an email later tonight after I get everything kind of squared away. The schedule is still a little up in the air as of this morning. That is all I have to report. Moving on to my speaker report.
Hey everybody, just a quick thing. I've been asked by President Toronto to serve on the search committee for the new CIO for the school. Bob Weir is leaving university, so we're in the test to be looking for someone to replace him. There's been no meetings yet, but once something happens from that, I'll be sure to follow to the other GA. Nothing to report.
Student trustee report.
Hi guys, so just two quick things. So every year, a lot of the public institutions, they go to the State House to advocate for more funding. It's called Advocacy Day. So for this academic year, it's going to be on March 21st. And also we have impact reception. That's usually designed by the student trustees of all of the private campuses of the UMass system. So we are going to plan to have it on the same day with this year. The purpose of that is to invite the state legislators and just show them what the students are doing on each of the campuses, that research-wise or anything else, however way they're involved. So we're going to plan to have it hopefully on the 21st as well. I will obviously have more information as we get closer to the date, but we just started planning that, so I thought I'd let you guys know. Also tomorrow I'm going to be attending a master plan committee meeting. It's at 6 p.m. So if any of you guys would like to attend, just let me know. I know it's at 6 p.m. I'll be there, but if you guys are interested, feel free to reach out to me. That's all.
Excellent. Moving on to Chief Justice report. No report. All right. Are there any senator reports at this time? All right. Moving on to old business.
Motion to table my presentation until next
So there's been a motion to table the old business to the next GA in 2 weeks. If that's Thanksgiving one? Alright. Motion to move this legislation ready presentation to like
Next year.
the next GA. Alright, is there a second? Alright, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All those opposed say nay. Okay. So moving on to open forum, is there anyone who wants to speak at this time? Ms. Becker?
Hey everybody, it's Morgan with Mathburg. How's it going? Really exciting updates about voter turnout in the youth vote out of yesterday's election. Youth vote increased by 31% this election, so great job everybody. We're really excited about that. Normally like 20% is a huge increase. So we're seeing in some places in Massachusetts up to 78% voter increase at some polling locations, and numbers almost on par with the 2016 election, which is huge for a midterm. So really excited, engaged populations right now. We also have one really exciting update for UMass Boston per chapter. Our organizer, Tesla, is back from Sacramento. She has been working for our telephone outreach program there, and has moved over to the campus team now. So she'll be here full time, helping us advocate for issues that you guys come up with, and here to support us all. So if you need leadership trainings or just need someone to talk to, she will always be at our Mathburg desk at the front. We are not an information desk. We are not telling you where to go on campus. Sorry, you should know that. You're all in USG. And tell your friends, information desk, other side. Where's Michelle? But yeah, so I'll let her tell you a little bit about herself. But thanks, and I'll see you at next GA.
Cool. Hi everyone. I didn't know it was coming to this meeting today, so I'm going to kind of wing this. But my name is Tesla. I am from California originally, moved out here. I just wanted something different. I wanted to experience a different side of the country. I graduated from Cal Poly in 2014. I studied animal science. I really have a passion for animals. But I also have a passion for people and just like trying to progress our society. Yeah, so I started yesterday. So I'm still learning a lot of people's names, and I'm still learning a lot of campus activities. So if you want to come introduce yourself to me, or just like talk about what you're doing on campus and what you're working on, that would be great. I'd love to get to know all of you guys. But other than that, I hope I can be a valuable resource as well as I start to learn things more. Yeah, and I'm really excited. So thanks.
And that's the master code report.
Does anyone have anything else to report during open forum today? No?
Motion to adjourn.
There's been a motion to adjourn. Is there a second?
Second.
All those in favor say aye.
Aye.